Hey, how about we team up again?
Get out of here. And you get out of here too. Don't hurt him.
Ê, cũng vui á.
He couldn't. I was blocking all of this.
Come on.
So, we want to play that game, eh?
Boy,
Go in here. I'll get him. I'll get him.
Green guy is down.
Let's go.
You did not.
Oh, what?
Vui á.
What was that?
Vãi.
Oh, wait.
We'll stay in here.
Okay, what's up?
Trò này giống
Wait,
hép lai
it's
quá
good.
vậy.
When anyone comes in, we kill them. I'm gonna go in here so when someone spawns in, they don't see me. They'll see you for sure, but I'm just gonna go down and proper slap
Here he is.
him with the sword.
Ê, cũng
I'll
vui.
get him. I want to kill this man. I don't like this one. This one. There's one over here. I'll get him.
What? High five. Hey, look.
Hey. I wasn't.
Got him.
Look. Out of bounds.
I somehow got up here.
Good. No, just gotta stay up there.
Double kill.
Hold on.
They can see me on the river, but... What?
You stay there. Hold on.
What? What the...
I can't hear you.
You got the volume on this all the way up. What the heck?
No one's coming, bro.
Okay. Hey, what's your...
Whoa.
Oh, you killed my friend. Holy shit, that could be alright. It's my stuff. Get out of here.
Stop.
You get out of here.
You'll get out of here.
Bro.
Don't.
Thank you.
Oh, wait, there's someone coming. Hi, sir.
I didn't even know you were up here.
Yep.
Get back in there.
Double kill.
Mr.
I just killed a couple people.
Wait. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. I just want to show you something funny. Tell me when you're done with this tutorial.
Who's coming?
Yo, please don't kill me. Wait. Why?
Why?
Because I want to show you something funny.
Bitch, die.
What the heck? I just want to show something.
I was just
something
living in
funny.
brief. Hello.
You know how you
But I
use
was
in the restroom,
friendly.
and then you had your mom's soft knuckles.
Hey, what the...
Oh. You ruined my trick. You're dead.
Boom. Easy.
With anyone except Titan. And even if you're not a Titan.
What the heck?
Were, because Titan could protect me.
Kids after me.
I just killed useless things.
There's one more spawning here, dude.
We're not the bunny and pet system.
I never died.
Oh,
If I do run out of fuel, if somehow I do run out of fuel, I can just go baby hands.
I can't play more.
look around.
This one's more kills, so honestly,
I say stay in here.
Hey, yo, stop.
Hey, I
What the
just
heck,
seen that.
bro?
Give me mine,
Hey.
What?
I just want to
Remember, I used the minigun against the crow. Remember the first season? The first one. I was in the first one even. So then the katanas weren't added, then they added them.
Yeah.
Boys.
You can't outsmart a juggernaut, boy.
What? God dang katana.
Stop! Stop!
God dang it. You kidding me?
Mr. Bye.
Yeah!
What container?
Oh my god. Holy shit.
Retainer?
I'm right.
Why?
Why? Bomb. Why?
I'm so confused.
Double kill.
Triple kill.
Ah, dang it. I did good. Oh.
Hey, man.
Hello.
Hello.
Don't touch me. Hey, what the fuck?
Stop!
Why?
Hi.
Sorry, I'm assassin.
Okay,
Laat je
really?
me reclame.
God dang it. You're almost assassin. No, I can't reload a rocket at the same time. I need a Wait.
I got a lot of these right now.
free Jordan is here.
Don't you dare shoot a rock.
I got it, baby.
Oh, so your weakness is rocky.
Don't touch me, boy.
Boy, you can't even use your bounties or cannolis or conito color.
Hello, sir.
Oh, back.
I need.
Back.
I will help you, sir.
We'll go down.
Oh,
How are you all giants?
wait, what the heck? Oh, fast, stop it.
아니야, overcover 갔는데. 자, 갔는데.
In nipper. Yippee. Oh,
Alright,
let's go back to the other room. I'm tired of being open. Where is?
Hey.
Get out of here. Bye. What the heck? Help me. No.
Protection.
Fuck you. What the heck?
Aw, dang it.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, my script.
Come, hey. Oh, what was that? This
Sir, bye.
Yeah, kill him.
What the heck? I hate you, Bam. Holy shit, God.
Nice mask. I'm only on 2%, baby.
No one messes with me.
Holy shit, God.
Huh? No, please, no. I'm back. Bro, what was that? What's wrong?
I need you.
What?
Someone.
I'm coming with you, boy.
Hey, what the?
Hey,
Ah,
hey, surprise.
Abracadabra.
Nice.
Good.
Yes, my katana.
Emmy.
It's a legendary katana.
I can't get
More
my
than your
dad.
Hello. Oh,
I
got him.
can't
Gaunts are pretty strong.
Well, let me get a katana.
They can block a lot more than a katana can.
Inbound.
Oh,
How did you do that? Where am I going?
Are you a little useless? Whoa. What the hell?
So you want to play that
Sorry.
game, Messi?
Sorry, man. I just accidentally
Okay,
hit you. Okay.
see what you did.
Alright, let's go. Let's go kill him.
Wait, I can have my katana and a
Hello, sir.
They're my katana.
What the? Oh, well, he died.
They look like my katana. My katana. My katana. My katana.
Haha! Kill him, weights.
I can't block them.
Oh my god. Oh fuck.
Wait, are you defending
Double kill.
Oh shit.
Triple kill. Quad kill.
Oh, useless.
Where are you?
Bye.
Oh shit.
What the?
EMR, bro. EMR. Oh, nice.
Oh shit! You're not. Oh shit!
Oh, what was that? Ow.
Hello. Useless, get back here.
He's too dangerous. Oh, that's so unfair. I got teamed on.
No. What the hell? You're bad.
That's right, you better run, boy.
Otherwise, I might go with this. There it is. Hey, man.
I'm gonna go with you.
Hello. Hey, man. That's fun. Look at me.
Don't say bad words. Don't kill me! No! Don't kill me! Don't kill me! Don't kill me! No! No! What is up, peeps?
Don't spag it.
Ah!
David, go!
Real low health. I don't need that. Ah, hey you!
Oh my god,
Oh, hello, dear. Hello.
Oh my.
Hello, my son.
You what?
Hey, oh,
Oh my
down. Yeah. Oh no,
Double kill.
Oh yes, as it is you. Oh yeah, I don't care. Fight him. Yes, he did. I did it. Yeah, I did it. Now to get the SCP because he doesn't deserve to live. You killed me that time. You don't deserve to live.
Oh my god.
No. It used to be powerful and magical. And now it's constantly. Yeah, leave them alone.
Leave me alone, bro.
Stop that. Don't do
Leave me alone.
Rabbit
Maybe.
Oh, yes, we did it.
Yeah.
We did it, guys. We did it. Yes.
Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me.
Ah.
Hello. Yo.
Still, we did it. We got them.
You think you're hollow,
Okay.
You're hollow,
Oh, we got it. We got the juggernaut.
What the?
We literally got that mall.
Awesome.
Give me spawn. We got the juggernauts. We got the juggernauts.
Oh my.
Help. Dude, my favorite place.
What the heck? Hello, sir.
Double kill.
Hi.
What the heck?
Boogie, boogie.
What?
Boogie, boogie. Hello. Boogie, boogie. We did it. We killed Juggernauts. I did it. We had pumpkins.
No.
We fought.
Yo.
We killed the Juggernaut.
Dang.
There's consequences.
Okay.
No, I'm not.
Oh my. Ah, you killed yourself. Wow.
Yeah, I literally killed one because I was looking.
Kill myself.
Double kill.
Oh, you're not going anywhere. What the hell?
You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere.
Fuck you.
You yourself. Bum, 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 bum.
Sorry. Oh, holy shit, you're gonna push
No, please. You wait, guys! I'm stuck in a cage.
Hey, what the? Bam! Down, them down. Damn.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Trying to fit myself out isn't gonna work.
It's a fun.
What? Mama on. Yeah.
Oh.
Double kill.
Okay. Scared.
No.
Ow. I'm sacred. The sacred juggernaut.
There's nothing about you that's sacred, man. Time for explosive minigun.
You see here. I like you.
Nothing sacred about you.
Minigun is
Out of ammo.
stuff. Did you know that?
Damn it. Hey, what the damn it?
Nobody gets my XP. How?
Why?
Yeah, I had to. They're ganging up on me. Who wants some? The juggernaut.
No. Team up.
Did I kill myself?
What'd you drop?
Stop. Stop. But you're dirty.
Damn it. Damn it. He's damn it.
I'm for my.
They're gonna.
I think it's just
Ow!
fine.
Ow!
Oh shit.
Oh,
Where's the mutant?
Yeah.
Yo!
Hey, what the?
Oh, Shrek. Oh,
Hey yo. Hey yo.
right.
what the?
Adderall.
Leave me alone! Please, this is nice.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Bad.
I got guns in my head and I couldn't go. Guns in my head and I couldn't go. Guns in my head.
Just it. Oh.
Here's my head.
What the heck?
Double kill.
Anyway. What the? Oh, no, bro. Ooh,
You actual idiot.
great. Oh,
Bro, I hate when people literally like kill so many people but act normal.
I got guns.
That's like crazy. Living their normal day.
kill you. Find some push on this.
How's he in there, bro?
So cool.
Why I'm so big?
What the? Oh my god, no, I'm
So big. Why I'm so big? And everybody are too small. They're too small
Double
to
kill.
me. Yeah. Hey. Why I'm so big? Me.
Why?
Me so
Why I'm
damn
so
big.
because you 가르쳐봤어.
I'm so big.
Oh,
It's
and oh. No.
I'm so big. I'm so big.
Huh? What the? Oh no. What? No.
I'm actually gonna kill you.
No, I didn't wear it yesterday. You killed me. Hooray! I'm not so big. Hooray!
Bro, shut up. Get bed. Get bed.
Oh,
Hey.
I thought that.
Oh my god.
I'm so
Oh, no.
Leave me alone.
Hey.
I'm good.
No.
Meow. Who wants to die?
Double kill.
Thank you. No, I'm trying to leave. My hand is. Bye.
Way to leave.
Finally. I got them. Oh God.
Oh.
Damn it.
Yeah, hooray! I can kill you. Hooray! I killed you. I killed
Man,
you.
shut your goofy out.
Why? Scam people.
My heart will not be
Oh. Leave me alone. I just want to go to bed.
Bye. Sorry.
Double kill.
Haha.
No.
Haha.
No.
Triple kill.
Let's go.
Hey, trust. Hey. Oh my God.
Damn it. Oh.
Ah! Hey, look at me. Hello.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey. Why so tiny? Why so tiny? Why so this tiny?
What the?
Oh, so there's